Hello everyone. Let us solve some problems on radius of curvature. First example, find the radius of curvature of the curve square root of x plus square root of y equal to square root of a at the point a by 4, comma a by 4. Let us solve this. We have this equation, right? We have square root of x plus root of y equal to root of a. We need to differentiating with respect to x. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x plus derivative of root y is 1 by 2 into root y into dy by dx equal to square root of a derivative is 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, here we left with minus of root y divided by root x. Now we need second derivative. We call that as y2 or d square y by dx square, whatever other notation you want you can take. We need to differentiate this. So I will take this negative sign outside. Root x into derivative of root y is 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx, that is y1, minus root y into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x divided by root x the whole square, which is x. So at the point a by 4, comma a by 4, here they are given at the point like this. So dy by dx, that is y1, right? So y1 at this point is minus of square root of a by 4 divided by square root of a by 4. So it will be minus 1. Similarly, y2 at the point a by 4, comma a by 4 is minus root of a by 4 into 1 by 2 into root of a by 4 into here y1 at the point a by 4, comma a by 4 is minus 1 into minus 1 minus then root of a by 4 divided by 2 into root of a by 4 divided by x is there, the value of x is a by 4. So now we can cancel these two. We left with minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by a by 4, which is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 with negative sign 1, and reciprocal of this will be 4 by a, which is the value of y2 at the point a by 4, comma a by 4. Now we need radius of curvature. We denote that by rho at the point a by 4, comma a by 4 is, according to the formula, this will be 1 plus y1 square whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. So this will be equal to 1 plus the value of y1 is minus 1 square whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. y2 is 4 by a. So solving will be here minus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 raised to 3 by 2 divided by here 2 square. So 2 raised to 3 by 2 by 2 raised to 2. We left with in the denominator root 2 or 2 raised to 1 by 2. So this will be, this a will go to the numerator. So a by root 2. The value of rho is this much. Thus we can find the radius of curvature for the given curve. Second example. Find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature at any point of the curve x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. Solution. What we have? We have is x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. Parametric equations are given. So here the parameter is theta. First we need to differentiate x with respect to theta, dx by d theta. Derivative of this is a cos cube theta. A is constant. We can take outside 3a cos square theta. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Similarly, dy by d theta is 3a sin square theta. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now we can find the value of dy by dx, which is 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. We left with minus tan theta. Similarly, we need d square y by dx square. So let us find that. Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Here negative sign I kept as it is into d theta by dx. So this will be minus secant square theta into, we need to differentiate with respect to x. Here with respect to theta we are differentiating. That's why we took the chain rule. How is this? I am explaining again. D square y by dx square we need. We have dy by dx. Dy by dx is in theta format. So d by dx of minus tan theta we have according to this. So can be written as d by d theta of minus tan theta into d theta by dx. Am I clear? So now d by d theta of minus tan theta is secant square theta. Secant square theta into d theta by dx is there. I kept as it is. Am I clear? So this is how to apply the chain rule for the given problem. Secant square theta into the value of d theta by dx we have, which is here d theta by dx we need. We have dx by d theta. So we need the reciprocal of this. So this will be equal to 1 by 3a, negative will cancel. 1 by, I think secant square can be written as 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square into cos square, cos raised to 4 theta into sin theta. Therefore, at any point theta, the radius of curvature rho equal to, according to the formula, 1 plus dy by dx the whole square whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square. Which is equal to 1 plus dy by dx value we got as minus tan theta the whole square whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square is 1 by 3a cos raised to 4 theta into sin theta. This will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta whole raised to 3 by 2 into 3a cos raised to 4 theta into sin theta. Now, this will be 1 plus tan square theta is secant square. Secant square raised to 3 by 2 is secant cube. So, 3a secant cube theta into cos raised to 4 theta sin theta. So, can be written as 3a 1 by cos cube theta into cos raised to 4 theta into sin theta. So, we can cancel this. We left with 3a cos theta into sin theta, which is the radius of the curvature of the given curve. Am I clear? Okay, let us solve some more problem in the next class.